Thank you all for joining me again on this exciting channel. Today we want to dish out a very important topic between the clash of Omenana and Christianity in Igboland. I repeat, the clash of Omenala and Christianity in Igbo land. I read another long epistle. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like our post, drop your comments in the comment section. Feel relaxed and enjoy this Igbo undying epistle, because the reason why we are doing this version in English is to make our people understand the reason why we are here. Is to make some of our online audience who love Igbos but don't understand Igbos to know the identity of our channel, to know who we are, and to know our stand as a people. In this Igbo race, nobody is perfect. In our quest of knowing Christ and Christianity, nobody is perfect in it. And in our quest to know Omenala and our identity, nobody is perfect. Now, let us educate one another. Like I said, if you are coming across my video for the first time, feel free to share it. Drop your comments also in the comment section. Let us dive into the topic of the day. My people, Ndibai, wherever you are watching from today, Nigeria, Europe, America, sit down, listen very well. This message is not noise. This message is not hate. This message is the undying truth which you will listen today. There is a war going on in Igboland, but it is not a war with guns. It is not a war with machetes. It is not a war inside. It is a war inside the mind, inside the heart, inside the soul of the Igbo man. This war has two names. One is called Omenana. The other is called Christianity, and today we must talk. Some people will be angry. Some people will shout. Some people will type insult in the comments. But truth does not fear insult. The truth only fears silence. Before the white man came, before the church bell rang, before the Bible entered Igboland, we had a way of life. We had laws. We had morals. We had fear of the unseen. We had respect for elders. We had consequences for wrongdoing. That way of life is what we call Omenana. Omenana means the tradition that guides us. It was not perfect. No society is perfect. But it gave the Igbo man identity. It gave him balance. It told him who he was. Then Christianity came with schools, with hospital, with hope, with salvation, but also with judgment. The church told us the gods are evil. Your ancestors are demons. Your tradition are backward. Your culture is darkness. So the Igbo man was forced to choose God or choose his root. And that choice has never healed him. Today, look around. Many of us go to church on Sunday and secretly fear our village shrine on Monday. Many of us shouted Holy Ghost fire, but still call a native doctor at night. Is that faith, or is that not confusion? Some pastors says, burn every traditional. Some elders says, reject the church, and the young Igbo child is standing in the middle, lost, confused, and broken. This is why families are divided. This is why communities fight. This is why people insult each other online. This is why some youths hate their culture and others hate the church. Let me ask you one question. Very simple. Who benefits from an Igbo man who hates himself? I will not force you to answer that question. Think about it. An Igbo man who knows only church but knows nothing about his root is incomplete. An Igbo man who knows only tradition but rejects moral discipline is also incomplete. The problem is not God. The problem is not culture. The problem is extremism. When Christianity refuses to respect culture, it becomes oppression. When Omenana refuses to accept change, it becomes bondage. Our ancestors believed in a supreme God called Chukwu Okike. So why are we acting like Christianity brought God to us? Our traditions taught us discipline. So why are we pretending everything tradition is evil? This is the conversation many people are afraid to have. But fear does not build a people. Truth does. If you are a Christian, be a Christian with wisdom. If you respect Omenana, respect it with understanding. But do not destroy your brother because of belief. Igboland is bleeding, not from bullets, but from identity crisis, from spiritual confusion, from cultural shame. Until we talk honestly, until we stop pretending, this clash will continue in churches, in villages, in families, in our children. My people, this is not a call to fight. This is a call to think, to ask questions, and also to heal. Because a people who do not understand their past will always fight their present and also lose their future. If this message touched you, if you have lived this confusion, if you have seen this clash, do not just drop your comment in the comment section. Let's talk. Let Ndi talk with sense, with respect, and with truth. And listen to me very carefully. This fight did not start today, and it will not end by pretending it does not exist. When a child is taught to hate where he comes from, he will grow up confused because of where he is going. Many of our young people today know Bible verses but cannot explain their clan. They know pastor's name but do not know their lineage. And yet, some others knows ritual but have lost compassion. They know taboos but have forgotten about love. So ask yourself again, are we healing? Or are we just replacing one bondage with another? This is why this conversation matters. This is why silence is dangerous. This is why shouting, "Don't talk about it," has made it worse. No trees grows well when its roots are poisoned. No faith survives when it is built on fear. We must stop lying to ourselves. We must stop copying without understanding. We must stop condemning without knowledge. Christianity should not erase identity. Culture should not enslave the soul. Wisdom is knowing where to draw the lines. If we do not fix this now, our children will fix it in anger, and anger destroys faster than ignorance. This message is not final. It is the beginning, a beginning of hard questions, a question of uncomfortable truth. Because Ndị Igbo deserves clarity. Ndị Igbo deserves the balance. Ndị Igbo deserves to know who they are, without shame, without fear, and without confusion. This discussion is open. The floor is yours. Speak, but speak with sense. See you guys next time.